Thank you, FCA softball supporters. With our opportunity to play on the FCA travel team, we have both become more dedicated in our walk with Christ. Thank you so much for your support. Because of FCA softball, I accepted Jesus at one of our team devotionals. Thank you for giving to this ministry.
I just want something beautiful.